So here we are using the sport pump with a total knee replacement patient, and you can see that is certainly a recent knee replacement. This is actually 10 days post, and you can see that this patient has moderate amount of swelling, discoloration, ecchymosis, and definitely pain. And the limiting factor here is a sensation of tightness in his thigh. So this video demonstrates how you can use the sport pump with electrical stimulation at the same time. So I'll be using the electric stim on the muscle and then using the vasocompression to decrease the swelling and manage the pain. Real simple setup, just like this. Bring this over. Just like that. This is a good old-fashioned pillowcase. Nothing magical or special about it. Just make sure the wires are out of the way. Close the Velcro. Turn it on. And that's your setup.